Alright, now then, if you remember all the rules and read all the rules, go ahead and give me 2 thumbs up and a yes.
Yes.
Okay, both thumbs up and a yes.
Alright, yes,
Thank
yes,
you very much,
yes,
bye. Go on, push those hands forward.
Oh, look at that. Pretty cool, huh? Woo. I'm going. $80 feet. Okay, there. Was recording? It's recording, alright, I guess. I hope. Lakeside. Alright, we are in, you can't probably see me. Oh, you cannot see me, you can probably see my feet. But yeah, we are in the state of Montana right now. And again, I forgot. Oh, Alpine Coaster, there you go. We are at a place called Alpine Coaster. Something Alpine Coaster. I'll probably put their name down here in the video. And they're actually kind enough to let me use my GoPro. I thought they're gonna take it away because they said they're not or they don't allow cameras and cell phones and a bunch of other things. And I thought maybe it's because they want to make money, but no. People of Montana, they're pretty friendly actually. It's a good state. Right now it's about 88 degrees, I believe. Where are the guys? I have no idea where the guys are. I'm just going right now. But yeah, right now it's I think 87 degrees. It's a high 80s. It's a bit hot. Let's see if this works. This is gonna, oh, it's just gonna go. Okay. And we are on our way to the Glacier National Park. We're gonna camp there tonight and tomorrow night. And we'll head back to Houston on Saturday, I think. Saturday afternoon, maybe. So that it can be back by Monday. Okay, it's starting. So oh my god, okay. So we just decided to come here. It's like an hour away from, hello. It's like an hour away from the Glacier National Park. An hour 30 minutes. So I found these guys online and I was like, yeah, let's go. It's pretty cheap. It's 18 bucks a ride, or you can do a $50 unlimited ride for like an hour. All right, let's see. Oh, okay. Here's a gentleman here. Get ready. Howdy, sir. Hey. Push forward. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. All right, let's go. Let's see how fast this thing goes. Hello, Ahmed. How are you, Ahmed? Oh, goodbye, Ahmed. Hello, Yasser. Goodbye, Yasser. Ooh, God. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh, holy shit! Oh, I'm going. Oh, oh my god! Oh, this is the fastest. Oh my god! Holy shit! This is the fastest as this thing goes. I'm going like full acceleration right now. And it's oh my god, it was fun. It is fun. Oh! Hell yeah. Slow down. Oh, I have to slow down. Oh! All right. Hello, sir. How are you? Good. All right, there you go. Thumbs up. All right.
You're good to go, sir. You can
All right.
head off to your right. There's your video card.
Thank you very much.
Yep, you're good to go.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Yes, sir. Very fun. Yeah. Just waiting for my friends. Nice hair, Ahmed. How was it?
You're good, you're off to your right.
How was it?
It was really nice.
Did you go full speed the whole?
Yeah, but
yeah,
it was
me
so
too.
short.
It was short, yeah.
Yep, go ahead.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna have to ask y'all.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yes. Yasser is not going full speed. He was controlling
Oh,
the
really?
speed. Yeah, I saw him.
I've always been had one hand on the.
I saw that. I saw that from over there. How was it?
Thank you. Call my bank for a reimbursement.
Why? It was short.
Short, right? Yeah. I wish we could go for more.
We could go for 3 rides. It's not like 3 rides.
Yeah.